On a windy rooftop, Batman and Spider-Man clash over a gadget that neither fully trusts, trading dry jabs and sarcastic nods. Wonder Woman strolls in with espresso sarcasm, reminding them that truth and justice come with a proper latte and less broodiness. Iron Man and the Flash compare tech hacks, accidentally launching confetti, and a metronome that keeps time to their punchlines. Deadpool crashes the scene, riffing meta jokes while misreading the alliance, turning packed talks into pie-throwing improv chaos. They end by agreeing on a peace treaty written in snack coupons, instantly broken by a renegade banana peel and a group selfie.